and they will come. That was my opening philosophy for conscious leaders, is build the ark and they will come. You know, it's a biblical story of Noah. Noah's warned that a flood was coming, and he was tasked with building an ark long before there was any visible signs of rain. No storm, no flood, no proof. You know, scholars debate that it took him 55 years to build the ark. Others say as long as 120. Either way, that is a very long time to build something for a future no one else can see. That's the part people forget. Noah didn't build it in a crisis. He built it in uncertainty. If we bring this into our world today, many of us can sense that the world is changing. Something is going to go wrong economically, technologically, socially. We can feel it. And I think we as women can feel it even more. We can feel the tension in the air. It's here. Even if we don't really know exactly how it's going to go, but we know. Now, let's wait and see how this is going to unfold, right? That's usually what we usually do. But this is not the right way. This is why this idea matters. Because building that ark means preparing for a future you can already see coming, even when others can't. Knowing it will be slow, knowing it will require patience, knowing there will be long stretches without validation. And people might make fun of you, or people think that you don't understand what you're talking about, or people will think you're crazy. No. Use your foresight and build. Jenna Clifford once spoke about delayed gratification, and it stayed with me to this day. You build something, and then 10 people show up. Then 2, then maybe none. And still, you keep going. Not because of numbers, but because of conviction. We live in an era obsessed with vanity metrics, followers, reach, fame, speed. When I started Conscious Leaders, I knew not everyone would understand conscious leadership. Not everyone would get it. And that was okay. My job wasn't to convince everyone. It was to keep building. And I'm going to continue building. And here's what I want to leave you with. If there is something you feel called to build, something that solves a real problem, something you're deeply good at, don't abandon it because it's not moving fast enough. Don't reshape it to look like what everyone else is doing. Build with intent. Build consistently. Build patiently. Community follows purpose. Money follows value. And momentum follows commitment. And on these days when you feel disheartened, when it feels like nothing is happening, remind yourself of this. You don't build the ark when it starts raining. You build it long before. And in time, they will come.